What if I told you this giant bamboo could become the t-shirt you're wearing right now? The transformation is unbelievable, and the final result will completely surprise you. Watch till the end. Today I'm going to show you how ordinary bamboo is turned into soft clothes. First, thousands of freshly harvested bamboo stalks arrive at a massive factory. Next, every bamboo stalk is washed multiple times to remove dirt and impurities. Then, giant machines cut the bamboo into small pieces before crushing them into a fine pulp. After that, the bamboo fibers go through a special processing stage that transforms them into a soft textile material. The fabric is thoroughly washed, cleaned, and dried until it's ready for the next step. Next, the fibers are spun into long, strong threads.
Line 3 running at 98% efficiency, fiber tension nominal.
Steady now. Click, got it. Next one. Position confirmed, zero wobble.
Those threads are dipped into huge color tanks, giving them their final color. The colored threads are then woven into large rolls of smooth bamboo fabric.
Tension even, no slabs, kind of consistent.
Scan complete. Batch ID BZ704.
Threading confirmed, tension nominal.
Using computer-guided cutting machines, the fabric is cut into precise clothing patterns.
Balanced, then lock the weight at 45 degrees.
Workers carefully stitch the pieces together to create t-shirts, hoodies, trousers, and many other outfits.
In the color pattern structure, the bamboo hook.
Finally, every product is inspected, neatly packed, and shipped to stores around the world.
Easy, lift that one. Left side's up, clear. Go.
Green bubble batch 7, ready for dispatch.
This fabric
And before you know it, people everywhere are wearing clothes that started as a simple bamboo plant. That's the incredible journey from bamboo to clothing.
So soft. Feels like air.
Bamboo. Breathable, biodegradable. Yes. That's all $42.99, please.
Thank you. Enjoy your eco-friendly tea.
Thanks so much.
Just brought home the full bamboo line. Soft, sustainable, ready to wear.
This feels so soft. And it's really me.
This fit? Perfect.
This feels like everyday magic.
This hoodie? Grown, spun, and stitched. Bamboo to back pocket.